In order to join with single crochet, you'll need at least 2 different pieces of crochet fabric. Here I have 2 granny squares. You want to line up the sides that you want connected. Make sure that the stitches are lined up evenly. Insert your hook under the first stitch on the first piece of fabric and the first stitch on the second piece of fabric. Go ahead and take the yarn that you're using to attach the 2 pieces and throw it over your hook, leaving a bit of a tail end. From here, you want to pull up a loop through those 2 stitches. Next, you're going to chain up 1 to secure it in place. From here, you're going to go under every stitch on the first piece of fabric and every stitch on the second piece of fabric and complete a single crochet. And you're going to continue that all the way down until the project is completely connected. Once it's completely connected, it should look something like this.